Hi Cybertruck fans, I'm Ellie with T-sportline, and I have some exciting news to share with you from our friends at Inozetek. They have just released a brand new color change PPF film in a satin tone. This is a first for Inozetek, and guess who they gave the first role to? T-sportline. This is a world's first, the first Cybertruck in the United States to be wrapped in satin midnight moss green. This color is unlike no other. Take a look at it as we dive deep in. Depending on how the sun hits it or what time of day it is, you see some really nice moss, dark green colors. You see grays, you see blacks, you see a bit of charcoal. Very special color film. Unlike anything else that's out there, anything that we've ever done before, this is definitely a first, and I think it looks really great on a Cybertruck. Now, let's get back to the fact that this is PPF and it's a color change PPF. So now I have another new announcement to share with you guys, and this is very exciting. As you all know, when you wrap your Cybertruck using PPF film, you are adding value to it. And when you want to sell your truck one day, that's something you're going to share with a new potential buyer, and they will recognize that value and pay more for your Cybertruck compared to maybe another one that's on the market that has not been treated with PPF. And as you all know, typically when you buy a used vehicle, you go to Carfax, right? And you go ahead and you run the report and you want to get all the details about it and see if it's ever been in an accident and if there's any recalls and how many owners there's been. And now Carfax has recognized T-sportline as a certified and authorized dealer for PPF. And that will go on your Carfax. That validates that it was done, and it was done by somebody that is certified and recognized by Carfax. Very exciting stuff. So T-sportline is obviously the place to get your Cybertruck wrapped, and now even more so with this added value, which will help you with resale in the future. Getting back to this really cool truck, obviously after we wrapped it, it's very popular and a lot of people change the wheels, and here you go. My favorite, once again, 24-inch fully forged monoblock CTM wheels finished in satin black. That's the perfect color tone with this beautiful wrap color. So he's got some new 24s. They look really cool. The truck's been wrapped. Foundation Series badges have been reapplied. Window tint is done. And this truck is ready to go home to its owner. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. We have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon.